So you just spent a couple $100 on a shiny new cold air intake, expecting your car to suddenly feel faster, sound meaner, and maybe even pick up a few extra horsepower. But then reality hits. It sounds cooler, sure, but is your car actually faster? Today, we're breaking down the truth about cold air intakes, what they really do, what's just marketing, and whether they're worth it for your build. Stay to the end, because I'll show you a dyno comparison that might surprise you. Every car enthusiast has heard it. Bro, get a cold air intake. It adds like 20 horsepower. But does it really? Or are we all just paying for a louder turbo flutter and engine bay eye candy? Let's start with the basics. What a cold air intake actually is. A cold air intake replaces your stock air box with a smoother, larger pipe and an exposed air filter designed to bring in cooler, denser air from outside the engine bay. Why cooler air? Because cold air has more oxygen. More oxygen equals more efficient combustion equals potential for more power. Sounds simple, right? But there's a catch, and it's a big one. A lot of so-called cold air intakes actually just suck in hot air from the engine bay. If the filter isn't sealed off from engine heat, that cold air you're paying for is actually hotter than your stock system's air, which can reduce performance. That's why dyno tests sometimes show zero gains, or even a small drop. So yeah, not all intakes are created equal. Here's where things get interesting. A good intake, properly designed, shielded, and placed away from heat, can make a difference. On turbocharged cars like my BMW 335, with the N55 engine, freeing up airflow before the turbo can reduce restriction, helping the turbo spool faster. That doesn't mean you'll suddenly gain 30 horsepower, but you might notice sharper throttle response, faster boost build, and a more aggressive sound. And yeah, that turbo flutter everyone loves? That's a bonus. Let's talk numbers. Most cars gain between 5 to 10 horsepower on a good cold air intake, and that's under ideal conditions. For turbo cars, the sound difference is usually what sells it. You'll hear the turbo spool, the blow-off noise, and the engine breathing better. So while it's not a huge performance mod, it definitely feels faster, and that's worth something. Here's the truth. Cold air intakes are as much about experience as performance. They make the car sound alive, they clean up your engine bay, and they slightly help efficiency when paired with a tune. But if you're chasing real gains, you'll want to pair it with supporting mods, a downpipe, a tune, maybe an upgraded intercooler. Then, that cold air intake becomes part of a bigger performance setup. So, do cold air intakes actually work? Yes, but only if they're designed right, installed correctly, and part of a full performance plan. Otherwise, you're mostly paying for sound and style, which, honestly, might still be worth it. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and comment if you will now decide to buy an intake. See you in the next one. Thank you.